Hi everybody, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install your clutch slave cylinder guard on the 250 and 300 4-stroke models of the Shercos. Alright, we're going to show you what you need to install your clutch slave guard on your 4-stroke Sherco model. In your kit, you're going to have instructions, a clutch slave cylinder guard. You're going to have one M6x12 bolt, one M6x30 bolt, and three M6x35 bolts. What you're going to need is an 8mm T-handle or socket along with a 4mm Allen. Okay, step number one is going to be removing the plastic sprocket cover. There's two 8mm bolts. And you just go ahead and pull those out. Okay, the next step is going to be taking off this metal case guard. You're going to take your 4mm Allen, pull those two bolts out. On the back side are some spacers. You can set these aside because you will not need them anymore. Okay, the next step is going to be removing these three bolts right here to accommodate the Enduro Engineering clutch slave cylinder guard. So just take your 8mm and pull those three out. Again, you can set these to the side because you won't need these anymore either. Now that you have all those bolts removed, go ahead and take the provided M6x12 bolt and you're going to replace the bolt that you took out of the slave cylinder. Just go ahead and put that in and tighten it down to factory spec. Then go ahead and take your Enduro Engineering clutch slave cylinder guard. We're going to start at the top right. That's where you're going to take the provided M6x30 bolt. Get that started by hand. The other three bolts are going to be M6x35. Go ahead and get all those started by hand as well. Now that you've got all four mounting bolts started by hand, go ahead and take your 8mm and tighten those all up. Okay, now you have your clutch slave cylinder guard installed on your Sherco 250 or 300 4-stroke. It's going to hold up a lot better in case that chain was to break or a rock to get lodged in there. It's going to protect that slave cylinder. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com to order yours today.